Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel in probably one of my favourite areas of Benidorm, if you can still sort of say it's in Benidorm.
Cala, Benidorm.
Yeah, we're in cala, Benidorm. I often call this beach in front of me cala beach, but according to the sign in front of me, that sign, it's still part of Playa de Poniente. So I'm not too sure then. Of course, you're not allowed to have glass bottles on there. You're not allowed to have a fire on there. No fishing. Apparently, you're not allowed to be dressed up as a waiter and serve people drinks. You can't go camping on there. No dogs allowed on there. But if you've got a cat, a hamster, a squirrel, pet goldfish,
I don't even have a shower on there, Marcus.
a pet gorilla, you can take them down. You can't have a car on there. I mean, I don't entirely know why you'll take a car on the beach, but I wouldn't recommend it. Can't even have a shower on there, and you can't feed the fish.
Oh, the last one is feed the fish.
Yeah, you can't feed the fish. You do, of course, have the accessibility area decking down onto the beach. This bit is Sector P18. Deck chairs are €6 each, and umbrellas are €6 each.
€12 for an umbrella in that sunbed.
Yeah, I suppose so. I mean,
What would you want an umbrella there?
I
Beautiful bed
mean, it depends on how hot it is, really, don't it? Or if it is quite hot, you might maybe want to consider getting an umbrella for a bit, just so you can get that bit of sun. Then when it does get too hot, you can put your umbrella up. The thing is, guys, I think most of Spanish, they just bring their own deck chairs, their own umbrellas. To be quite honest, probably cheapest thing to do if there are got a few here.
Yeah, for a week that's going to cost you a whack in it.
I don't know.
€84.
Yeah, about that. I mean, the Casa Beach is quite a quiet beach. It is a lot quieter than, say, Levante or Poniente. But, I mean, you do still have people down here. You still do have quite a few people out enjoying the sun. There's a mixture of people down here as well. Belgium, German, Dutch, French, I think I heard earlier as well. Just a very beautiful area, to be fair. A nice, beautiful beach.
Liverpool supporters.
Yeah, well, I think you could find some Liverpool supporters down there.
Yeah, one sat next to me.
So, yeah, well, I can't really be bothered too much today, to be fair. It's quite hot.
That's the cala for you.
Yeah, it is pretty hot, and to be honest, I am kind of pretty chilled out, to be fair. So, I do apologise in advance if there isn't many videos today. I mean, if I had it my way, I'd just sit here all day and just relax. But at the end of the day, me and Matt might do sadly still have some work to do, don't we? Mike might not do too much work today because his phone's low on battery and he does still have a bit of a toothache, sadly. Bless him.
Bloated.
Bloated? It means all or not. There he is. Mr. Blobby. They have some nice little restaurants as well in the background. There is also some nice apartments around here. I think there's also a few hotels somewhere around here. It's just all in all a nice quiet little place, I mean. It does kind of give you that olden day vibes. Like it just sort of feels like a traditional English seaside village type thing. Like there's not really much to it. Like you've got the road going in one direction down there. Like a couple bars, couple restaurants. Then, like, you just cross over the road and you're right on the beach. I mean, how good is that? We were originally going to live in the Cala as well, believe it or not. We did find a nice apartment, huge balcony, like one of them balconies that starts one end and it just seems to like loop round. Like it was a beautiful balcony overlooking the beach. Beautiful apartment block as well. All we had to do was go down to the very bottom floor in the lift, cross over the road and we were on the beach. Sadly,
too chilled out from Newmarket. I don't think you'd ever get up there.
yeah, it is super chilled. I mean, it seems to be typical Spanish as well. Like work on Spanish time. Whereas in Benidorm, it is a bit more hectic. And to be fair, if I do zoom in a bit down there, you can see like Poniente Seafront, the Castel just in the distance somewhere, wherever it is. Then of course the Rincon end, like right in the distance. Quite a beautiful view, to be fair. Sadly you can't see the cross from here, but it is well worth taking a walk down into the Cala. Maybe like bring a picnic down or something. I think that's what we done last time. I think we just popped into the local pie shop at the Intermarket and got some pies each. I think all in all they cost us about €8.50 for 3 pies. Then I think we popped into the local supermarket on the way down and got like a bottle of pop each. And the best thing was like it took us quite a while to get down here, of course, because back then we were up the rink on them, but the pies actually managed to stay quite warm. And I mean, we just got down there, found a nice bench, sat down, and had a nice sort of chill out session. It was just peaceful. You can even bring a book down there and just sit and read. Oh, it is so peaceful, guys. Anyway, hope you liked today's video. I think when I can manage to wake up Sleeping Beauty, or should I say the Sleeping Dragon, when I wake him up, I think we will sort of start taking a slow walk back towards home. So yeah, hit the like, guys, hit subscribe for more Benidorm videos, and I am leaving my PayPal pay link down below as well again. So feel free to make a small donation if you want to buy us a drink now that it is getting a lot warmer. Adios.